Today, let's learn how to log into your Lowe's credit card account. If you also have a credit card account of Lowe's, then in this video, let me show you the process of logging into your account. This credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so the login process will take through the website of Synchrony. Search for Lowe's credit card login, and you can see the first result, which is from Synchrony Financial. You can click on this result, and it's going to take you to the sign-in page. In the first box, type in the user ID that you created while signing up, and in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember your password or your user ID, you can click on Forgot User ID or Password link, and then from there you can follow further steps to recover either of these information. If you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you log in, you can check this box. But you need to avoid this step if you're using a shared device. Once you fill in both of these information, you can click on Secured Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Lowe's credit card account. So that was a short and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.